Okay guys, welcome back. Hope you guys enjoyed my last video. So today we're at the shopping centre and at Dusk, which is like a candle shop. They sell other stuff as well. They had Zodiac sign candles and I'm an Aquarius, so I got an Aquarius one. And it says vanilla, orchid and amberette. So it's the scent. It says I'm sociable, rebellious and original. And then the dates are Jan 20th to February 18th. So I'm Jan 30, so I'm literally right in the middle. Element is air, crystal is garnet. You can read all of that stuff there. It's got a planet. It's got the season, sense, colour, familiar, creative is graphic design. I guess this could count as graphic design. I've been waiting because I wanted to unbox it on YouTube. That's the lid. So, lid, it's got Aquarius written on it. I'll light that after. I don't want to break it though, so I'm just going to gently put it down. Here it is. So that's the box. And it's the same thing. That's such a nice colour. I like the smell. I like that it's got 2 wicks because sometimes you can just light one, but if you light one, it doesn't burn very evenly. So if you light two, it does. It's got the date again. And it's got like, it's got the I don't know what they are, but like the stars conjoining. The moon, some more stars, planets. Number 11, and that's because we're the 11th Zodiac sign. I think, yeah, the second last one, which is I've always found confusing because we're at the start of the year in January, but actually the second last Zodiac sign because they start in March. I like that. And there's actually on the back it says, as stars aligned, a comet soared, and in that moment a star was born. Vanilla orchids and white flowers blow through the breeze in a whisper of rebellious abandon. Your quirky and original soul basks. Your daydream, pillowy marshmallow. Clouds floating between wisps of cashmere, wood and amberette. With your limitless innovation awakens dream into realities. Seal it back up. I'll put it in my room because I don't know if I've actually showed you guys. I've got a massive drawer full of candles in my room. So anyway, it's only a short one. I'm out here. Daylight savings started today. It's the 1st of October. So I'm like, oh, it's going to get dark at 7. No, it's actually going to get dark at 8 because we went back an hour, forward an hour. Is it forward? Yes, it's forward in the spring, back in the autumn. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed.